Mostly every programming influencer suggests nowadays to learn Python.
I would say go with Python.
Python.
The king of all programming languages.
There is a good reason for that. Python is incredibly versatile and finds applications in various domains. Also, I should say that when I read Python, it feels like I read the sentence in English and not actually a programming code. But there is one big problem with it that nobody talks about. So if you are an aspiring programmer, you are thinking to learn Python, or maybe you are learning it already, and you are dreaming about your first job in tech, you definitely need to watch this video till the end. I am Boris, I'm a software engineer from Tel Aviv, and I should say that the majority of the Python jobs, as long as I observed, fall into specialized areas. I mean, these jobs often demand expertise in such fields as AI and data science. While there are plenty of opportunities in these specializations, they require additional skills beyond Python programming. Learning Python alone isn't enough to secure these positions. You need to become a data scientist first, and then utilize Python to implement data science techniques. And to excel in data science, as we're talking about data science as an example, you likely need years of university education and specialized trainings. So if your goal is to break into tech industry fast, if you're interested in coding and development, there are alternative paths worth considering. You can explore Android development using Kotlin and Java, or venture into iOS native development using Swift. These avenues offer lucrative opportunities without the need for a data science or AI background. Also, the web stack, for instance, offers a fantastic opportunity to break into development without needing a degree or advanced math skills. The demand for web developers is on the rise, and the market is open for those who can master web development technologies like JavaScript or TypeScript, or maybe popular frameworks like React or Angular. But choosing Python as your first programming language to learn, if you lack a data science background or advanced math skills, could be a huge mistake. It's crucial to broaden your horizons and consider other technologies. Don't limit yourself to Python if it doesn't align with your strengths and interests. By the way, don't get me wrong, Python is a cool language, and I'm not here to discredit its strengths. Its strength lies in the vast array of modules and libraries, allowing you to accomplish a wide range of tasks. It's also an easy language to learn. The Python's job delusion isn't about undermining Python's strengths, but more about understanding the broader landscape of the job market. As you embark on your coding journey, take the time to study and comprehend the job market. It's a crucial step to commercialize your coding skills and find success as a freelancer or within an organization. Wow, that was hard. That's why, despite this is one of the 4 programming languages I suggest to learn, you still need to think twice before choosing it. Or you may choose some other language. My next video is to help you with it. See you there.